So Caroline, I remember teaching you how to ride a bike. And I think about how nervous you were. You would have kept those training wheels on forever. And I think about how symbolic it was to teach you how to ride a bike. And I remember you being so nervous I was gonna let go. And you know, teaching a child how to ride a bike, at some point, you have to let go. And you have to make sure, and you hope that they go straight. You hope that they don't veer off, go left, fall down. And you hope with every inch that they move forward, that they get stronger and more confident. And that, my friends, it's what it's like raising and seeing your children grow, is you realize that you don't want to let go, but you have to let go. And Caroline, I'll tell you, I couldn't be more proud of you and handing you off to a man like Luke. And I can tell you that I'm so proud of you. Your mother and I are so happy for you. And for you and Luke, we love you. And I want to say 3 last words. Job well done. Cheers.
Oh my God.
Hey.
You're so beautiful. I love you so much. Oh
I love
my God.
you. Look great.
We're doing this.
You excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
Caroline and Luke, your big day finally here. You two the focus of all this nuptial cheer. Stephanie, tomorrow will promenade in style to be royally seated at the front of the aisle. Giving away the bride-to-be, an honor that's Trent's good luck. I'm merely the father of the groom, an unceremonial position that sucks. But I refuse to be trivialized, unlike other fathers of grooms, and in insignificance immortally entombed. So let everyone remember, Luke is my son. Without me, a wedding there would be none.
That's what I thought.
Air kiss. All right.
To Carolyn and Luke, may your marriage last forever and stand the test of time, and be as joyful and devoted as Adrian's and mine. Thank you.
I did it, right? That's good, right? You can cut the audio if it's not good, right?
He looked at me, he was like,
Getting to watch y'all's relationship from the start makes my heart smile. I knew this guy was the real deal, knowing deep down that he was gonna stay a while.
Marriage is one of a couple things in life that no amount of advice or planning can prepare you for. It's the greatest, most fulfilling, joyful, stressful, challenging experience of your life all in one.
Caroline's always had high standards, from grades to leadership, her work ethic, and more. She could not have found a better guy in Luke, ready for a lifetime ahead to explore.
Mom immediately latched on to you. You know, it's kind of a bittersweet thing because, you know, the day that we met you, or at least that I met you, is the day when Mom wasn't feeling good.
I think God knew we were gonna need those hugs. And I knew that this was a deal because you were there and you made sacrifices and you so effortlessly gave of yourself. You were so present.
And you stuck with us, and you were with her when she passed. And so your presence in the family, aside from the wonderful person that you are, is also symbolic. In your marriage, you and Luke's marriage is symbolic of a rebirth, of new life in this family, because we lost a lot.
Caroline, I've looked up to you for all of my 27 years. It says tomorrow will be me fighting back the tears, but it's tonight. So let's raise a glass to a happy couple with the bride dressed in white. Happy wedding to all, and to all a good night.
We should all cherish tonight. And tomorrow we'll see an absolute beautiful wedding. And in our memories, we must all cherish that too.
We're all so lucky to have you. He's the happiest I've ever seen him. Like, he's radiating happiness. And it's all because of you. We love you so much, and we're so happy to have you in the Baumgartner family.
All right. Countdown. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1.
I can't think of a better match than you two. They say you are the people you surround yourself with, and I feel so grateful to have Caroline and Luke in my circle. To be anything like you two would be a huge compliment.
Caroline, you have been a wonderful addition to our family. You are an amalgam of beauty, intelligence, and compassion, and you have filled a cavity in Luke's life.
There's many things that I love and admire about Caroline, but my favorite is how she loves and supports her friends and her family.
I want you to know that you are gaining a wonderful friend and life partner.
To have Caroline as a friend is to have your #1 cheerleader by your side. And I think everyone that knows and loves her would attest to that.
Caroline and Luke, I could not be more excited for you and the life that you're about to begin together.
As the Reverend Mother once said to Fräulein Maria, climb every mountain, forge every stream, follow every rainbow until you find your dream. And Caroline did just as the Reverend Mother advised, and I could not have picked a more perfect match for her. So cheers to Caroline and Luke.
You and Luke are so blessed to have found each other. God's blessing on you and Luke as you begin your life together.
I know that Adrian is looking down this weekend with great joy. I can't express how happy the Baumgartners and Landrys are having Caroline, Stephanie, Trent, and Sarah becoming members of our family.
And I know how tomorrow is going to be the best day of our lives. And I don't know how we'll ever thank you enough. It's going to be perfect. Y'all raised a wonderful daughter, and I cannot wait to marry you tomorrow. So with that, we can do a last little toast. Cheers. Thank y'all.
Well, Caroline and Luke, it is a privilege for me to be officiating at your sacrament of matrimony this evening. From recalling your preparation for this ceremony, I think that you better understand that you are beginning today to live the vocation to which you have discerned that God is calling you to live the rest of your lives. So thank you for making your marriage a sacrament tonight and for becoming a sign of God's love for all of us and making Him more present to each of us.
Caroline, take you, Luke. Be my husband.
I, Luke, take you, Caroline, to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
To love you and to honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
my distinct honor and privilege to present to all of you Dr. Luke Baumgartner,